Hi, welcome to ExoResume quick tutorial videos. In this video, we will learn how to edit icon elements. Every time you select an icon element, then on the left panel, the Icon Manager tools will appear. Here you can choose from more than 1,000 icons to replace the old icon. You can type tags in the filter column to make it easier to find the icon you want. And choose one to replace the old icon. You can add icon elements by copying existing icons using this clone feature. Thank you for watching.